Hello everyone, let me show you something very beautiful today. So this is the lily plant. Look how pretty it is. This is bloomed today, and this was like grown from a bulb which I have bought from online. This lily bulbs, and don't know, like it said multicolor. As of now only one has been bloomed, and it's so pretty, and its texture is like velvety texture. Look how beautiful it is, and it is bigger than my hand. And this is one, but like I have planted two bulbs in this pot, hanging hanging pot. And let me show a few others. So here in this blue color pot I have planted a few others, and one is going to bloom, I guess, and two plants are in blooming stage. Thanks for watching. Happy gardening.